Hi, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, it's going to be a what I eat in a day video. These videos are designed just to give you ideas of what you can eat on a elimination phase AIP diet, which is what I predominantly follow. Pretty exclusively because it's the one thing that really keeps my flares under control, keeps me feeling healthy and able to work and function kind of in a normal lifestyle. So with that said, I'm going to show you what I eat today. You're going to see me in probably different outfits and things because I'm also filming today, doing intros and outros for these videos. So I'll just show you as I go, and I hope that you'll get some inspiration. All right, everyone, see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, I am here with my first meal today. It is chicken and garlic scape stir fry. This recipe will be up on the channel eventually. I'm not sure if it'll come before or after this video, but you will have a recipe for it. This is actually quite good. I've never had garlic scapes before. They look a little like this. They're really long, like a long Chinese green bean, and they have a bit of the texture of asparagus, flavor of kind of a cross between an onion and garlic. It's quite tasty actually. A little bit more mild than a straight up onion or straight up garlic. It's good. This recipe actually was really easy to put together and you'll see that in the video, but this is what I'm gonna have for my first meal. It's, just looking at the clock here, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which seems a little late for my first meal, but as you guys know, I do intermittent fasting, so I don't start eating right away, and I got up a little bit late today. So this is my first meal. I'll show you all the meals I have today. I'm gonna enjoy this and I will see you at the next meal. All right, everybody. Hi everyone, I am back with my second meal today. I'm gonna have the beef samosa skillet, and then I made, that recipe will actually be on the channel this month, I believe. It's already recorded, I just have to post it. And then I was gonna make kind of a naan bread, but I decided to go with the pita pockets, which I've shown you how to do with my tortilla recipe in the past. So I'm gonna just stuff these with the samosa mixture and eat it like a pita sandwich. I'm gonna have that as my second meal. I'm gonna enjoy that. Well, let me show you. There, I just stuff it. A little bit messy, that bite. I love this beef samosa skillet. It is so comforting. Warm and just cozy food for sure. I'm gonna have this. I might have a cup of tea. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have water. I'm gonna enjoy this, keep on with my day, and then I'll come back and show you my last meal today. All right, everybody, see you in a bit. Hi, everyone. I am back with my third meal of the day. This will probably be my last meal today. I'm having grilled pork chops, a roasted root vegetable medley, and roasted broccoli. This roasted root vegetable will be one of the side dishes that I feature in this month of December for like a holiday side dish. It's quite good, so I hope you look forward to that video. I'm just going to enjoy this, and if I have any snacks or anything else, I will see you at my next meal. Otherwise, this will be it for the day. All right, everybody, see you in a bit.